welcome back to part 2 of Plants vs. Zombies and others. So I'm going to just show you the ones that I probably showed you in the last video. And Gaiden will be filming. David, could you film?
What?
Could you film my YouTube video?
Sure. What am I filming?
Go into my bedroom.
But why don't I stop it and then start it
No,
when you're ready? You already started it?
Yes. Okay, so here's a walnut.
Wait, it's not very sharp.
It's
Why
always,
is it so...
It's always glitchy.
This is like way too... People can't see you at all. Okay, we'll do the best we can.
Okay, so here's a walnut. It's as hard as a wall. And also it's a nut. Here's an eel. In real life, it actually electrocutes you and also maybe bites you in. A sunflower gives you sun. And it also looks good. Magnet mushroom. If you remember from the last video, the magnet mushroom takes out the bucket head. Here's a combined nation of cherry bomb, green monkey, and a green snake. Cowzilla breathes fire anywhere and also punches everyone he sees is an enemy. Karate banana. That is actually my logo. Wind plant. I forgot what it's called, but it blows zombies that could fly away. Snow pea. It has awesome hair like snow, and also could shoot snowballs. Colonel Pote and Cattail. Colonel Pote could shoot butter or corn out of its thing in the game. Cattail uses its tail to sharpen zombies. Apple Bomb and Angel Monkey. If you love the Angel fans, leave a like. This is Apple Bomb. Explodes in it. Giant Elephant. It didn't came with it. The clothes didn't came with it. I put it on. Squash. Squashing any zombie representation. Buckethead zombie. It is wearing a bucket, and it's from Egypt. Stegosaurus. It has an awesome tail, spikes, and a bow. I got this from before Christmas. Was it last December? The watermelon poke, like the corner poke, it shoots melon instead of butter. The normal pea shooter shoots peas at zombies. The base is dumb. Its pants is falling, but still facing. The purple zombie. It is more stronger than any. It is more stronger than any regular zombie. Goose, we got this at Comic-Con. This is a white and small little goose that we got from Comic-Con.
You gotta finish it up, you're running out of time.
Sunflower, sun tree. It gives sun, giant sun. Spider has no mouth, but
You only have 10 seconds.
has a tiger thing. And turtle, zombie, and these guys. They're just in there. Thank you, banana attack. Yeah. Anyways.